Hello everyone, welcome to another detailed video of our landscaping project.
This is Instant Sea Resort in Padubidri. It's beachside resort where they undertake functions and gatherings. We had been contacted to create an end-to-end gardening work. As usual, first was sourcing good quality red soil. We were supposed to lay grass for around 9,000 square feet area. One of the most striking features of this beachside resort landscape is this custom rock garden installation. Client asked to create a selfie spot or something similar. We went ahead with natural standing stones that blend beautifully with coastal surroundings. As you can see, installing these massive stones require precise planning, excavation, and heavy machinery. The work was physically exhausting. Achieving the look we wanted required days of heavy physical work, careful planning, and constant teamwork. These are not ordinary decorative rocks. Each piece weighs several tons. We had the idea in our mind, so we had to match the idea with choosing the stones with the right height, shape, texture, and color. Safety was also critical throughout the installation because handling stones of this size leaves no room for mistakes. The tallest rock was carefully positioned first, serving as the anchor stone for the entire composition. Each rock was securely embedded deep into the ground to ensure long-term stability. The surrounding stones were then arranged at varying heights. During sunrise and sunset, these stones create beautiful shadows and become stunning visual feature for resort guests. This rock garden may look calm and effortless now, but creating it was one of the toughest parts of the entire resort landscape project. Coconut tree was already there. We planted saplings to these rings around. Now the leveling has been done and place is ready for grass laying. Grass mats has been arrived and the laying work started. Next, the plant load has come. The main challenge when it comes to the plant selection is not all plants will survive here. You can clearly see how the location is very near to the sea. Due to the salty content, we must be choosy when selecting. Almonda, Calathea, Canna, Christinia, Costus. These are hardy which will handle this type of climate. Garlic lily, Ruilia, blue plumbago are selected as flowering plants. We used Dracaena, Eranthemum, Acalypha for the color contrast. Look how brown and maroon leaves are highlighted against the green grass. As it is the area where functions will be conducted, these plants were to be planted on the sides. The remaining area belongs to the grass. We beautified this entrance area by planting these tropical landscaping plants like Heliconia, Dracaena, Costus, ribbon grass, etc. After all our work is complete, the area is looking like this. The client was extremely satisfied with our work, especially the rock garden setup. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe our channel for more such detailed videos. You will also find short videos here wherein you can get gardening ideas. Thank you for watching.